Right, if you're new to the channel, bought this one a few months ago. And when I bought it blind, and really it was a breaker. But what I've done in the meantime, I've welded the floor pan to the heater channels. And new rear quarter panel, the lower one, which turned out pretty nice. What I've done since the last video, wire there, I've wired in the regulator wire in.
You had it running or what?
Not yet, we'll do it in a minute. Yeah, thanks for like stitching me up.
What?
Right.
I don't know.
Here, have a look. I've welded. You can see the front heater channel, a plate on the top, right in the corner. That was a pain. A plate on the top, and a lower piece here that had a hole in. That's done. Also, I had to put a couple little plates on the inside. What I've got to do now, get the hose that connects up to here, to the heater channel setup, but no, we'll do away with that. Next, it'll be to weld along there, which is easy. But this side, to go along with the bodywork, I'm going to get the front wing weathered, similar to the rear. So this side will be all like ratty, and the other side be some paint. Also today, put on a sticker. Put it on this side because that side's rusty. Right, I've just tied up the wiring. It was a shambles really. Again, I haven't tested nothing yet, so we'll do that in a sec. But yeah, cleaned all this up. It's missing the seal, engine seal, so we've got to get that. That's important. Noticed that this afternoon as well. We'll get a couple patches in there. Other side's fine. Right, let's grab the keys to see what they look like. Front of it still looks good. Wow. Yeah, it's fitting. The keys, I'll put Charlie Brown on it, I remember now. He's looking at it and thinking, what the hell are you doing? Right. See, we will start. It's been on the drive for 8 weeks, so will it run? Get the battery up. Yeah. I'm happy with that regulator. The wiring, all cleaned up all the spades. Right, give it a whirl. Right hand drive, way to go. Oh, another thing. Yeah. Another thing, I put a new oil switch in because I test fitted a new one which I bought a couple months ago and that didn't work, so got a new one and wham bam, 2 lights go on. I went through the wiring when I was going through that, so happy days. Right, see if this little 1300 starts up. Petrol. You're kidding! Generator light is going on for a minute. Look at that. This exhaust sound low. Alright? Looks like I'm going to polarise the dynamo. Bit cavity, so I'm about to set the bulbs. Happy days. So done the small jobs, I've got the radio also work as well. So what I've done, I've had a break from the welding today, just to tidy up the regulator, wiring. Door don't shut perfect, but I'm going to sort that. But all in all, step back here, I'm going to remove the tape for the fuel line. Remove the tape for the fuel line. But that is looking pretty cool. So this side we just need to weld the bottom plate in a few places. So hopefully over the weekend I've got a dry bit and I'll crack on with that. Oh, rebolted the wing and he fits like a glove. Happy with that. It's not even a gap, not like the patina bug. Not too bad. Working on the driveway. So with that, thanks for watching. Give us a like, comment down below, hit the subscribe button. So I'll get a lot of views on this one in the gear, and we're nearly at 1100 subs, so appreciate that. I'm doing away with this seat covers. We've been looking on Amazon, get the retro ones similar to the Polo. Gear 6 good. Generator light just stayed on there, so I've got to, is it polarize? Yeah, maybe because it's the regulator stayed on. I'll fit the seat belts front and back. That's the rear. Everything lined up fine, even though I cut all this away. The seat belts are on. That looks tidy with the wiring. The floor's good, whereas before we had a whacking great hole all here. For hobbyists, that's not too bad. I've been asked to do some welding on other cars, and no, I just do my own stuff really. You know what it's like. You do a bit and go on your back, you get really slated. But this one here, worked a treat with Hitbox, that little welder. So I'll just do my own stuff and leave it at that. But that's the next job over the weekend. Just putting a little bottom plate in across there. Then I'll redo the fuel line. New fuel hose at the front. Clip it all away. Put the running board back on, the steel running board. And enjoy driving it next week. I've driven it, what, 3 times? Happy away it started up first time like that, with no fuel leaks, so I ain't ground through the pipe by the looks of it. Can't smell nothing. But look how this will be all lower next year, not this year. Yeah, you'll go on, drop spindles and 2 rear splines at the back. Right, I'll leave that here. Not looking too bad now. A little bit wiped down on the dizzy cap. Give it a bit more engine grease and fit this seal. I'll fill all this. It's not rusted through. I'll just fill all that, but I will do a small patch there and 2 there. But that can wait. That's no hurry. Right. Thank you.